Waianae Mountains are erupting again. That's just clouds. Koala's not going again. By the way, you know, I think we got a problem, Dad.
What's that?
Well, our camera will always miss the shot. Do you know why?
Why?
It looks like a stormtrooper now.
I know, right?
Psilocybin. I gotta go to a tech conference this evening. Oh, hey, what's this?
Come on. Oh, no.
It's dead.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get him, boy.
In our restricted airspace. Get out.
Alright. Car's clear. Sky is... That's good. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go get him, boy. Sick him. Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. Good old D12-5.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Coming down. Perfect. Yeah, it's a good day, huh? The altimeter's still on. Oh, stuck in there. Good video.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
There you go. Not very high.
Clear, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
We had 171. Good to go.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Swimming pool?
I think it'll come back a little.
You know, the Quest motors, they just don't fly straight. Oh, on the roof. About 2 feet on the roof.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Plunk on the ground.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Clear, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Went that way again. All right.
Sky is clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh, there goes the cone.
I think your cones last for like what, 3 flights?
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Uh-oh.
No, nice landing.
Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Go for lunch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Where is it? There you are. Yeah, that's a good 200.
Okay, ready to go?
Yep, on the way. Ready to go.
Clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it worked.
Range is there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast.
Boy, that wind picked up. Good. Good, go.
Sky is clear. Range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
That did not arc at all. Yeah, that's 400. There you are. Coming down pretty fast. And then it slows down. Drum roll.